My blink.
Where are they?
Right there, right there.
Away from behind them.
Fucking right. Hey,
No eyes, yeah, dude.
My pretzels, man.
Just kidding.
Where are my pants?
Why don't you get something to eat, man?
I'm getting
Dude,
Are you really?
they're in the freezer, man. We're hoping they get frozen real quick.
Damn it. They're not in the freezer.
I'm in the
What if
fridge.
we put them on, dude? He'd be freezing his balls off.
Or should I say microwave? Microwave.
How was it?
Microwave.